Hey guys, another dish you can get here in Vietnam is a fried chicken leg quarter. They double fry this so it's super crispy over your choice of rice. I got the fried rice with seafood. That's how it looks. Got your dipping sauce. Finish it off with a lemon iced tea. You can find these various stalls around the city. Just look for a sign that has that picture, fried rice with the chicken drumstick, or leg quarter rather. This will usually cost you about $2 as well. It's a good lunch, very healthy. Enjoy. Happy living in Vietnam.